First of all, who says you are going to have another 38 years? कोई गारंटी नहीं है. कल सुबह I don't want to say something, but हो सकता है. So there is no concept of midlife. जहाँ तक life है उतना life है. Today we are alive, game over. Tomorrow is there, it's not guaranteed. Be in the present. So don't think too much. Number one. Number two is if you are in a dilemma. See, the greatest flex. Do you know when you are really rich? It's not when you have 6 figures, 7 figures, 10 figures. क्योंकि मेरे पास आज 6 figures है. Elon Musk के पास 14 figures है. He's 100 trillion guy. I am never going to reach that. I hope I can, but I don't know. You know, but what's the greatest flex of being an entrepreneur? Is it having a big bank balance? What is it? Can you refine that? Okay, peace of mind and all that.
Ability to spend whatever you
rich
want,
mind,
whenever you
whenever
want.
you want.
वो भी okay. That's from a transaction point of
A
view.
rich mindset.
A rich mindset. Yeah, this all is humbug. You know, rich mindset से कुछ होता नहीं. My heart is full and all. My chest became breast and all. This is nonsense. उसको छोड़ दो. My simple philosophy for that is, if you wake up tomorrow morning and you have a choice, कि unless I get $100,000, I'm not going to get out of bed, and it doesn't make a difference to me if I get out of bed or not. That freedom that you get, that I can do whatever I want, to whoever I want, whenever I want, and nothing can stop me. That is richness. Like, I don't have the pressure to drive and take my kid to school. उसके लिए driver है. When I go to a mall, I don't feel shy. Okay, I want to buy this, but इसका EMI कितना आएगा? I have a bottomless American Express black card on invitation. That is freedom. Today I don't want to do work here. My investments will take care of today's billing. That is freedom. I just want to randomly book a ticket, pick up my wife, pick up the bags and the kid and say, okay, you know, we are going to Switzerland. Doesn't matter, you can bunk, or even if your boss terminates you, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. We have enough money, we don't have to think about it. But more than any, this is one way to look at it. The other way is a very pertinent question. How much do you need? Because at the end of the day, there is a German proverb which says, which basically translated says that the coffin or the shroud has no pockets. Which means that when you die, you are not going to take back anything and go. तो कितने से आप सहमत हो जाओगे यार? कितना चाहिए? Okay, आपका stomach का capacity है 1 liter 110. That is Maharaj Bhog psychology. They charge you 6 times the amount. They know only 1.110 you can have. That's why they bring more of liquids and less of solids. Absolute barbecue is a scam because they make you eat all those corn and all that cheap stuff. Don't waste your stomach with that. So at the end of the day, it's that 1 liter you can have. उसके बाद क्या होगा? उल्टी या lose motion. So money is also like that. Beyond a point, if you are keeping money in the bank, who is making money? The banker. So money is an amazing thing. You make more money if you rotate it. But then again, how much do you need? 2 वक्त की रोटी, because त्रिभुक्तो becomes rogi. So eat twice, finish. When you get older, you eat only once. That will keep you alive longer. Shirts kitne hai? You come home, I can tell you, you have no idea about my bank balance, but my wife keeps shouting at me. Half my bunions and bermudas, you know, the ones which I am most comfortable with, are the ones which have 4 or 5 holes here and there. Uska anand alag hi hai. That is like for everything else there's MasterCard, this is priceless. So that is another thing. Then the greatest thing is what, no? When you feel anand hi anand. My competitor is making more money than me, like Sharma ji ka beta. I don't have a problem that I got low marks. He got more marks than me, then we get that. So once you leave this mentality कि आप life में progress कर रहे हो, wow. Enjoy. Was I not able to progress? No problem. मैं अपने स्तर पे हूँ, वो अपने स्तर पे है. We are both on the 2 different boats, but in the same river or ocean. Once you get to that stage, then the entrepreneur is basically an empowerer and catalyst for himself and people around him. Same like the sugar example I gave 2 days ago. So, and in last comment, you know, the Bernard Shaw's quote, some people bring happiness wherever they go, some others bring happiness
Whenever.
whenever they go. Try not to be the second category. Okay, कि मर गया, okay, लाख रुपए. You know, do something, then you will not have all these crises. You come to me and ask me midlife crisis. I'm like, I don't have time to think about that because I'm too busy working hard and making money and providing for the next 50 years. Crisis है तो देख लेंगे यार. If I'm alive, I'm breathing. I am not hooked on a ventilator. I am not getting my backside cleaned by a home nurse. And if I'm able to eat good food and taste and smell and all my five senses are working, and if I have a home to go to, if I have a wife who still hugs me once in a while, and, yeah, and if I have a daughter who thinks I'm Superman, and my mother doesn't think anything of me, that's a different story. But if all these elements are there, that is the richest person in the world. Yeah. बाकी सब comparison complex से आता है.
That's International Director, DGM Sujit Sukumaran. Thank you so much. We would have continued a little longer. Unfortunately, time is running. You know, this Rajnikant, pata hai Rajnikant kaun hai? Rajnikant once had a race of 1,000 kilometers. And Rajnikant won.